How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of upper lip hair. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So why do we get upper lip hair in the first place? It's commonly caused by hormonal, hereditary, and ethnic factors. Now this video is both for guys and for girls. Some guys don't want their upper lip hair. Girls certainly never want to have a mustache. So what are some things we can do to get rid of it? First tip is waxing. Now with waxing, you warm up the wax, you get it hot, you then apply it to your mustache hairs, and you pull the paper on it. Then you rip it off. Sorry, you put the paper on it, then you rip it off. Now with waxing, what will happen is over time, the hairs on your upper lip will start to die due to the constant stress and constant removal of them. Trust me, I know a lot of people who wax and their hair does not grow back as often. Plus with waxing, it will take much longer for the hairs to come back as opposed to shaving or plucking. Waxing is probably the best option you can do without having any surgery done on the hairs. I will put a link in the description box to some wax that you can buy if you guys are interested. So again, the link is in the description box. Second tip is plucking. Plucking is a great way to get rid of the hairs. Not only does it take a while for the hairs to come back, but over time the hairs will stop growing as well. And it will take longer for them to come back. I know for me, when I pluck my eyebrows, they don't even come back anymore at all. Before I would have to pluck every day. Now I pluck maybe once a month. So it's pretty good, you guys. Keep plucking and over time you won't need to do it as much. There is electrolysis. It's the removal of hair roots by using heat through an electric current. Now, electrolysis does cost money, but the pricing isn't too bad. This is another good option if you have some money saved up and you're willing to pay for it. Shaving, you guys. Shaving is a last resort. Don't recommend it. Your hairs will grow back thicker and they will come back very fast. So, highly recommend that you guys don't do the shaving. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.